Western medicine is based on science and technology, and the mechanization, dominance, and control of nature. Aspirations shaped by religious, historical, and cultural worldviews. Chinese medicine, on the other hand, is based on philosophy, which emphasizes oneness with nature. Human beings are not separate from nature, but are an essential aspect of it. Chinese medicine is influenced by Taoist philosophy, theories which are based on the premise that human beings are a microcosm of the cosmos and intimately interrelated with nature and the universe. The cosmological principles of yin-yang and the five elements constitute the macrocosm, which determine time and the seasons on Earth. Macrocosmic phenomena influence and affect microcosmic organisms on Earth, such as nature. This includes the human body, internal organs, and physiological substances. In nature, the trees, crops, and plants grow, develop, bloom, and decline in correspondence with the energies of the weather. Similarly, so too does the human body. According to Chinese philosophy, human beings correspond to nature and therefore should learn the laws of the universe so that they can use them to align with the natural order. Chapter 25 of the Dao De Jing teaches us, human beings follow the earth follows heaven, heaven follows the Tao, and the Tao follows its own laws. Chapter 25 of the Dao De Jing juxtaposes human beings with heaven and earth while maintaining that an energetic correspondence exists between them. Additionally, the chapter emphasizes the natural order of the universe while advocating that human beings should simply follow the natural laws of the earth. The natural laws of the earth are yin-yang. Therefore, Chapter 25 of the Dao De Jing suggests learning and implementing the theory of yin-yang into one's life. Human beings follow the earth, Ren Fa Di. Human beings follow the earth suggests the interrelationship of man and nature. Earth follows heaven, Di Fa Tian. Earth follows heaven denotes the interrelationship of earth and the cosmos. The interrelationship is categorized by the conceptualization that cosmological phenomena influence and affect the earth. Therefore, an energetically influencing relationship is identified. Heaven follows the Tao, Tian Fa Dao. Heaven follows the Tao refers to the operations of energy or the transformations of yin and yang in the cosmos, the ultimate example of balance and constant flow of energy. Since the human body is considered a microcosm of the cosmos, Chinese philosophy metaphorically compares the cardiovascular system to a current like a river, corresponding to environmental and cosmological patterns and energies. This is why healing is concerned with restoring the flow of blood and energy in Chinese medicine. The Tao follows its own nature, Dao Fa Ziran. The Tao follows its own nature refers to nature's constant, spontaneous, and effortless process. Health isn't about controlling nature, it's about allowing the body to return to balance naturally. By conforming to the natural laws of yin and yang, and understanding one's own nature and nourishing that, Wu Wei, is a profound concept in Chinese culture. It has many meanings. From the perspective of Chinese medicine, it relates to the principle of aligning with the natural flow of life. This is why acupuncture and lifestyle modifications may restore one's health. The body is self-healing. Sometimes it just needs alignment and the right therapy. The Dao De Jing teaches us that health and longevity are about alignment with nature and conforming to the natural laws of the universe, which are yin and yang, the five elements, and the Tao. Are you wondering how to learn the natural laws of yin-yang, or how to align with nature? Let me know in the comments below.